Hello, everybody. This is Ian Lamont, founder of I30 Media Corp and author of the Lean Media book, blog, and video channel available from leanmedia.org. Today, I'm going to be talking about adding or editing a legal page on your Shopify store. If this video helps you at the end, if you could follow the channel or like the video, I would appreciate it. And also, a quick disclaimer, you're responsible for following all relevant terms and evaluating all risks before you follow any of this advice. So, Shopify store. Here is one of my Shopify stores. And as you may know, to edit pages, usually you go to Online Store, and then you select Pages. And in this case, I have two pages, an About page and a Contact page. If I wanted to, I could create a legal page by just clicking Add Page, and then typing legal page and adding the terms and conditions and whatever. I'm not going to do that because Shopify actually comes with pre-built legal pages in them. And they're not located here under online store pages. They're located here in settings. Go to settings, and in the right column here, you'll see one that says legal, manage your store's legal pages. Now, this is important to have legal pages and have real language about returns, refunds, etc. The reason is because some of the other platforms you may work with, including Google, Facebook, they will want to see the sort of legal pages and guarantees that you're offering your customers. I think a lot of Shopify stores actually abuse this or they don't understand it. But you should do the right thing by your customers and have clear policies that they can understand. So I have a privacy policy here, refund policy here, and things like refunds, that's kind of, or returns, that's up to you. Like our policy lasts for 30 days and people have to return it in the original condition. For you, you may have different types of conditions, and it's up for you to get the language yourself that you want to use for your return policy. Fortunately, there's lots of templates out there, but as always, with anything involved with the law, you might want to talk with a lawyer who understands this stuff or who has created some vetted language before sticking it up on your website, because you don't want to expose yourself to any sort of risk. One other question that people often have is, all right, well, now that I have this legal page, how do I get it up on my website? And for this particular one, you can see I have it. Usually, it's in the for a lot of people, it's in the lower corner of the particular website that you're operating. So I have my privacy policy, refund policy, and shipping policy. If you click on it, you can see that you'll come right here. And the way that you do that, you would have to go to your online store, and then you'd have to start editing the navigation. And you can see the footer menu. Click on that, and you can add different types of policies. So I can add a menu item. You can edit the link, you can set up the link, and then you can get it onto your particular website. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it. Follow me on YouTube. Also, you can go to leanmedia.org, click on video. You can see more of my videos. Also, click on blog, and you can see some blog posts about Shopify, about Amazon, about other types of selling programs. I've been doing this for years, and I like to help other people out. This is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.